Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since I've uploaded, gonna be honest. It's mostly because I'm lazy, but not 100%. I've been super busy. I worked 3 jobs for a couple months and then school started up. So I've been pretty busy, but I'm back to just working 1 job now, and school's kind of coming to an end. Since I'm online, I can get ahead and finish. So, and then another thing that fell apart on top of those 3 jobs is my room. My room is super cluttered. My desk is horrible. My makeup drawers are the worst they've ever been. So I figured, why not do a room organization video, makeup organization video. I'm going to be organizing my drawers of makeup and going through my closet. So I figured make a video out of it. I hope you guys are going to like watching me do that. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna start off by just showing you guys like a quick overview of my room. It's pretty crazy and it's really dirty. I mean, it's not super dirty, it's just disorganized. Like there's just a lot of clutter that I need to organize. So yeah. So to start, this is just like right when you walk into my room. My bed obviously isn't made. I've been sitting in it. We come over here and I just like have this corner and I just like don't know what to do with it. It's really awkward. I don't have really many options of how to move my room right now because of my rats. I can't get a nicer cage that sits lower to the ground because of these 2 and my other 3 dogs. They want to eat them. So I'm actually not sure what I'm gonna do with this corner yet. I might move my bed, get a side table. This easel takes up so much space and I really hardly paint. I just haven't had time. And then we come over here to where it's really hit. It's just really disorganized. Wow, that's better. Okay. So we come over here, and these are my makeup drawers currently. As you can see, they are super unorganized. I don't even know what to do with this drawer. And then this bottom drawer is a bunch of junk. And then these drawers are all full of junk too. Unfortunately, I haven't got to use all my drawers in my desk for makeup, even though I really need them. But we'll see what we can do until I get more Alex drawers, or I don't know. I'll have to work with what I got. But yeah. guys, so here is an overview of what I've organized so far. I put my like SFX stuff back here, setting spray, lipstick, way too much of it, which I'm actually going to organize them into here once I clean this off. And then in here is some of my, well, most of my palettes, my single shadows, and my lashes, which I obviously don't have very many of. Ignore the single yellow nail polish. I was testing to see if I liked it. But yeah, so here's my palettes. I have a stack back here of some, which I don't really know how to organize the bigger ones, even though I use those ones the most. I haven't really organized them like friendly enough for me to use. And then down here's just ponytails. Here's some palettes that I just threw in here that I don't use often. And then, alright guys, ignore the face mask, but that's what I've done so far tonight. I'll continue this tomorrow. Okay guys, wow, it's been a minute since I've picked up the camera to, I guess, continue this video, but I'm getting a new bed today. My parents and grandparents ordered me a new bed for my birthday. So I think it's only fair that I try to finish off this cleaning vlog / video since I'm having a big change to my room done. Yeah, I mean, I really haven't cleaned much since the last time I picked up the camera anyway. So you guys haven't really missed much. I don't even know what I filmed so far, and I'm not planning on really rewatching the videos until I actually sit down to edit this video. So yeah, I'm just gonna redo an overview of my room again. So this is what we're working with. I literally don't have a bedside table. I have a trash bag started. My bed is kind of in this corner area. I'm gonna keep the new bed right here, but instead of going this way, I'm gonna go ahead and have the bed come this way. And then coming over here, still dirty. This whole pile of clothes I need to hang up. I need to hang up that. Still have to go through my closet. These two boxes are stuff that I need to organize. There's a lot of stuff under my bed, which I don't know what I'm gonna do when these delivery people come. So yeah, I mean, that's what we're working with right now. Desk is gonna stay here. I'm gonna have to clean this up. Side note, I got the Jeffree Star Cosmetics mini controversy palette, so I'm super excited to work with that. But yeah, so that's what we're working with. I think to start, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the clothes that are everywhere, go through these drawers, figure out my closet situation, and then yeah, hopefully the bed people will be here soon, but not soon, too soon, because I need to get my room clean before I put a new bed in here. So be right back.
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the air. I never land, just float there. As I'm looking up, suddenly the sky erupts. Flames alert the trees, expect to fall in leaves. Now they ride upon me. Wait if I'm on fire. How am I so deep in love when I dream of dying? I never felt so loved. Wait if I'm on fire. How am I so deep in love when I dream of
Now I just
dying?
have literally a stack of shorts to put away because it is now winter. We literally got 10 inches of snow the other day. If you guys didn't know, I'm from Michigan, so we got pretty decent amount of snow. It's melted now, but it's still cold, so sadly it's bye-bye to shorts weather. So I think what I'm gonna do now is unfortunately pull everything out from under my bed so I can get that situated. take my bed apart and get it out of here so the new one can be put in. It's really hard to clean right now. Well, it's really hard to organize without having the new bed in here, because I'm probably gonna put stuff under my bed, and like I need the underneath of my bed to organize, so I'll have to wait for that. So yeah, I'll catch up in a little bit and let you guys know what I've done. So I am still yet to clean underneath my bed, and it is currently 5:30, and the people delivering my bed will be here between 6 and 9. So I think that's what I'm going to start on now, is getting the stuff from under my bed, getting that out of the way so we can just get my new bed in here, and then I'll clean more from there. I'll update you guys when they're here. Okay, here's a quick update. Excuse the horrible lighting. Those boxes that were in front of my mirror, I combined them and put them in my closet, so those are out of the way, thankfully. And then I just organized this area right under my TV area. So this area right here, I kind of combined. I put the boots in the closet in my living room where they should be, so they don't take up so much room in my room. And then yeah, I kind of want to work on these a little bit, but over here is fine. Alright guys, good morning. It is the next day since when I filmed last. I didn't film last night when my bed got here or anything because I was in a rush to get to Target, and you know, like it was late. But you can see my bed's here. I'll give you a better view. So here it is. This is my bed. It really took up like half my room. I wasn't prepared for it, but it's really comfy. I went out last night to Target and got sheets and stuff, and this blanket, oh my god, you guys, look and how thick this is. I'm pretty sure this has been like raving all over YouTube and Instagram from people who've already got it, but comes with the blanket and 2 pillowcases. But yeah, that blanket, it's at Target. It's 25% off right now from 50, so I got it for like 30 bucks. Go get it.
Yeah. Oh, there they go. Hey, moving on that road. Hey, sunny day. Hey, even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. I'm cruising through the city. Had to get outside, it couldn't get any more pretty. I'm moving, hey, who's coming with me? Swerving on my bike, making 20 feel like 50. Man, they miss me, hey. Got the pedal moving swiftly. Vibe like suns, and I had to raise them strictly. Wishing I could always stay this way, hey. Chilling by the bay, had to make me say that even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah.
Alright you guys, so that is it for I'm sorry, I just realized how obnoxiously I opened my eyes. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I know I didn't clean my closet in this video, but I didn't want to make it 2 hours long. So if you'd like to see a video of me just going through my closet, go ahead and leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!